Campbell, you've been staring at the title page for an hour now. I don't think you're studying very much.
I've got 2 weeks until my exams and I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have enough time to go through the whole textbook, but it's also too early to give up studying. So I don't have any motivation to study, but I also feel bad for not studying.
Sounds like you need a personalized study plan.
That sounds really cool.
What's that?
I don't know.
First, let's do a test to identify your strengths and weaknesses.
An exam paper.
It's the best way to measure how you would do in the real thing.
Okay, I've done it and graded it.
Nice! Now, I want you to self-assess how strong you are in the following areas: time management, knowledge of content, answering exam-type questions, and experimental skills.
I feel that time management is fine for me. I need to work on the content. I definitely need to practice answering exam-type questions. And I was really confused on some of the analysis questions.
Great! Now let's talk about how to tackle each of these. Let's start with answering exam-type questions and data analysis. It also applies for time management, even though I know it's not a problem for you. For these, take a picture or screenshot of the questions you got wrong. You can include those from more papers you've done. Send 2 scheduled emails to yourself, one with the questions without the answers, and one with the mark schemes to those questions.
I'm writing emails to myself?
Yes, this is for your future self in 3 days. You're gonna do these questions again.
Okay, here it goes. Dear Campbell, I hope this email finds you less stressed than 3 days ago. H2O made me force you to do these questions again. Please do them. Kind regards, Campbell. And schedule sent.
Perfect! Then you're gonna repeat the process for the questions you got wrong from that set. If time management was an issue for you, you would do them under timed conditions, ideally 1 minute per mark. Repeat this until you get all questions correct.
Why am I spending so much time on these questions? They're not gonna come up on the exam again.
They might. Students have seen the same or similar questions come up again. Also, it helps you to get a sense of what the mark scheme wants. It's like learning the grammar of a new language.
Okay, fine.
Next, let's tackle knowledge of content.
Ugh, I hate squeezing extra information in my brain.
It doesn't have to be that painful. What would you do if you didn't have to study?
Sleep, eat, play video games.
Let's make it a video game then.
What? So you're saying that I can study whilst playing Block Blast?
Exactly. First, you're gonna make flashcards on Quizlet for the topics that you need to work on. Then on Quizlet, you can play blocks.
How does that work?
For every 3 moves, you need to answer the question correctly to continue playing.
Oh, I see.
H2O! Campbell won't play hide and seek with me. What are they doing?
I'm still studying on Quizlet. It's pretty addictive.